So, you want to get certified in cybersecurity? I will help you every step of the way. Welcome back to Secure Tech Academy's Linux series. In our previous video, we introduced some fundamental Linux commands. Now, we're going to zoom in on navigating the Linux file system. Understanding how files and directories are organized and how to move around them is absolutely crucial for working effectively in Linux. Think of it as learning the streets and landmarks of a new city. Let's explore. We touched on it briefly before, but the cd command is your primary tool for moving between directories. Remember, it stands for change directory. You can provide the name of the directory you want to enter. For example, cd documents will take you into the documents directory, assuming it's in your current location. You can also use special shortcuts. cd ... will take you one level up in the directory structure, like going back down a branch on our file system tree. And cd dashes will always take you back to your home directory, your personal space in the Linux system. Knowing where you are is just as important as knowing how to move. The pwd command, short for print working directory, displays the full path of your current location. This path tells you exactly where you are within the entire file system hierarchy, starting from the root directory, which is represented by a single dash. It's like getting the full address of your current location. Now, let's delve deeper into the ls command, which lists the contents of a directory. By default, ls shows you the names of the files and the subdirectories in your current location, but ls has many useful options. For example, ls short flag L provides a long listing, showing detailed information like permissions, ownership, size, and modification date. Think of it as getting a detailed profile for each item. Another helpful option for ls is short flag A. This shows all files and directories, including hidden ones. In Linux, files and directories that start with a dot are hidden by default. These often contain configuration settings, so ls short flag A reveals everything, even what's normally out of sight. You can also combine options with ls. For instance, ls short flag LA will give you the long listing of all files and directories, including the hidden ones. This is a very common and informative way to view the contents of a directory. Experimenting with different combinations of ls options will give you a much clearer picture of what's going on in your file system. Mastering cd, pwd, and the various options of ls is fundamental to navigating the Linux environment. These commands are your bread and butter for exploring and understanding the file system structure. In our next video, we'll move on to viewing and editing the content of those files we've been navigating through. That concludes this video. Great work. Next up, viewing and editing files in Linux. For more valuable content, come visit our website, securetechacademy.com. Sign up for our newsletter and explore our premium courses on Udemy, designed with you in mind, using the latest technology to be more engaging at a lower price. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the